Hi friends, this is Ravi from D2S Investment and Consulting Solutions. We are going to kickstart this knowledge forum in our YouTube channel. This is to impart knowledge to audience in general about financial planning, the need for financial planning, the importance of it, and what are the consequences in case if it is not done in the right way. To start with, in financial planning, today we are going to discuss about financial protection, which is the basic building block or foundation of financial planning. And we are going to get the answer to a few of the questions, very key important questions. What if the financial protection is not handled by the family? What are the consequences of it? And how the family's future is impacted in case if it is not handled. Now let's kick start. So imagine we're all working from home now due to COVID. We have to basically work almost throughout the day from the premises. Let's say there is a sudden electricity cut, okay, during the day. We are in the middle of a very important work. Okay, either we are in a call, report call, or we are in the middle of preparing a presentation. We have to send shortly. Suddenly current goes off. There is no power. Okay, so there is no backup. So let's think. So what is the consequence of it, of not having power for the next half an hour? See, it could be the person who is working is impacted now, so he has to wait until the power comes back to complete the report, or the phone call. Since it is not continued, there could be some important discussion points which could be missed. It could be a client call. Client is expecting a very important answer. So it's a very serious. The impact is very, very serious. Similarly, let's say, in real world, so there is a family of 4 people. One, Mr. Yogesh, he is the head of the family. He is the only breadwinner. Yogesh has got a wife and 2 kids. Yogesh is 35 years old. Okay, so his 2 kids, he's got a son and a daughter. Son is, let's say, 8 years old. Daughter is 6 years old. Yogesh is working in the software industry. His wife is a homemaker. So he is now 35 years old. So he is planning for the kids' higher education, the primary higher education, their future, Yogesh's own retirement. He is planning to purchase a house. All this is being planned parallelly. Now, certain investments are being made towards all these requirements. And everything is going well, absolutely no issues. Yogesh, fast forward, Yogesh now 40, 45, 50. So he's 15 years down the line. So he's making all these investments towards all these requirements steadily, absolutely no issues. Suddenly, now with age, due to lifestyle issues, so there could be a sudden health-related challenge. So Yogesh suddenly encounters critical illness due to stress, work-related stress, age, and it could be other factors. Okay, so what if now the breadwinner, Mr. Yogesh, encounters a critical illness suddenly? So he's got into a situation where he is unable to continue his work. So there are several challenges now. One is Yogesh will be unable to productively work, get the regular income. He has made certain investments, but now, his future, his family's future, in terms of further needs of the family, both the kids, their higher education could be impacted. His own retirement, his spouse and his retirement could be in question mark. because of the sudden developments. Think about a situation where without the family's financial protection, how the family would move forward now. Whatever investments have been made might not be really enough. And similarly, let's say at the age of 50, there is another scenario where due to the severe stress, there is a sudden demise of the breadwinner, Mr. Yogesh. How the family, in his absence, would continue to move forward financially. Yes, this means the emotional loss would be tremendous, and with passing time, so the financial loss need to be handled as well practically for the betterment of the family. So these are the questions. So in case we don't have a financial protection plan as a foundation building block, so how much our investment decisions have been made early for various goals and all that will not be really sufficient. So think about this. So in this first session of this financial protection, we are trying to means basically ask certain basic question about the need of financial protection. In the next session of financial protection, we'll try to find out how much we need to plan in terms of financial protection, why financial protection is the most affordable and least expensive of all instruments. The cost is very, very, very minimum, and what is the right tenure for financial protection. All these points we'll discuss in the next session. Thank you so much. This is Ravi signing off. Please visit our website www.d2sinvestment.com. Contact us at 636-299-8567 or mail to us at contact@d2sinvestment.com. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much.